Evenly lighting content on the Magic Leap display can be challenging. A directional light alone will cause black areas that will simply not render due to our edit display. Ramp Light solves this problem with a proxy light solution and a few lightweight shaders intended to evenly light your content. The Ramp Light system comes with a textured opaque, a transparent, and a reflective variation for your content. To see this in action, let's take a typical content scenario with a piece of geometry and a directional light. As you can see, the back of this object would never render on our display and would be completely transparent with a slight rim around it. To use Ramp Light, all we have to do is delete our lights since they're no longer needed. At this point, obviously our content will not render because it's using a typical shader. Once you add a Ramp Light prefab into your system, you'll have options for a ramp texture, which is simply how the light will look around your object, and a cube map for the reflection version of this shader. Let's go ahead and change this model over to use the ramp system. And right now, this content is rendering without any lights, and yes, there are some dark spots on this actual model which can be brightened up. However, there are no more dark spots that have to do with lighting itself. And as you can see, we can also add in the reflective version of this, which has options for how much intensity it has. And again, this is a very lightweight solution that allows your content to look good from every angle and not have any dark areas that disappear, without the overhead of adding multiple lights and fill lights and everything else to make sure things look good.